If you work for a fashion brand who is going to produce apparel in Vietnam, then what would you need to know about quality control? What choices do you need to make so that the factory delivers a garment that meets your quality expectations? Start by knowing that quality control and quality assurance are distinctly different. Quality control focuses on the outputs of a manufacturing process, whereas quality assurance focuses on the processes used during manufacturing. QC is reactive, whereas QA is proactive. At Hoang Tam Garment Jacket Factory, we employ QA because we're constantly monitoring quality during the manufacturing process. And we encourage you to do QC, which means you come into our factory and check with your own eyes to make sure that we've lived up to the standard that you set for us in the beginning. Most fashion brands choose to do QC because they don't want to get involved with managing a factory. Most brands just focus on inspecting the output and leave quality assurance to the factory. If you want to know how well a factory manages quality, then spend time with the owner and discover their character. Tour the factory with them. Go out to lunch with them. If the factory owner pays attention to detail and takes pride in their work, then that is a good sign. We welcome you to visit our factory, and we would be happy to go out for dinner or lunch so that we can get to know each other better. When you are ready to start production, inspect a pre-production sample. When you approve it, the factory can start production. Do you want to inspect 100% of the garments? I suggest that you don't. The question is, how many will you inspect? Will that number give you statistically significant findings? The Acceptable Quality Limit, AQL, is a system used around the world to determine the sample size of an inspection to give you statistically significant inspection results. AQL helps you decide whether to accept a production lot or not. The first step is to define your critical, major, and minor defect levels. When it's time to inspect fabric, you need to decide how many meters will be inspected. If the total fabric length is less than 2,500 meters, then you should inspect 20%. If the total length is more, then inspect 10%. Our in-house quality control staff take care of everything. If you have any questions, then just ask and we will show you. We will share our knowledge and make you feel at ease.